Hello, okay, let me introduce our raw brand motor system for you. Okay, this is the whole raw brand motor system. You can see it includes the raw brand motor, the tubular motor, and the tube, and the fabric, and the button reel. So, and also it has some like the bracket and the driver adapter and crown. So usually customer will just buy let me see, the tubular motor is this one, right? And also the important part is the crown, and the adapter is this one, and the end plug and the installation bracket. So but if you want to buy the end plug and the bracket, the important part is we have to know this is the tube. We have to know the tube the size. Okay, usually if it is the 20 and 25 and motor, then usually we will match the 38 and size of the tube. Okay, so it's the necessary part, the crown and the driver adapter. And if you want to match our motor, you have to know the tube size. Okay, so also if you need the fabric, okay, this is the raw brand fabric, right? So if you need the fabric, no problem, we can supply the whole set, include the fabric and the button reel. So it is our raw brand motor system. Okay, let's see the real product. It's the raw brand motor as we introduced before, right? And it's the fabric, it's the button reel, and it's the motor. You see, actually the motor it will put inside the tube. You will see, right? It's the tube, right? And then it's the motor, and you just need to do is put inside. Okay, just be careful and okay, it's done, right? And then it's the installation bracket, and this one we'll put on the motor side, like here, and put inside. Yes, yeah. And this one we'll put, it is the end plug. See, yes. And this one right here, and then the whole set is finished, and then we can install it on the wall, and you will see, right? Okay, it's very easy, right? And then we can let the manual raw brand and then become the motorized raw brand, because we have the motor over here, and the motor can let the traditional raw brand become smart. Let's see. Okay, let's see this one. You will see it's the tube and the installation bracket on the two sides, right? And let's see, up. Yeah. The important part is you need to supply the electricity to the motor, and stop and down. Yeah, very easy and smart, right?